I broke the trip into 3 segments. Okay. And we're up at West Palm here.
Okay.
Okay. The first would be Fort Lauderdale. Alright.
Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah. Now if I measure that in the map, I mean on the sidebar here for latitudes, I get every minute is a mile, so 10, 20, 30 miles. So I lay the pistols down there and that comes out, so it's like 37 miles. Then I got to include the mileage to get back up to the inlet there, so that adds about another 8. Okay. Okay. Once we get off there, then I looked at Port Everglades to Cape Florida, which is Key Biscayne.
Okay.
Okay.
That was
I'll take it from 25. You can measure that out. 20 what?
28?
26.
6.
Okay. And then the final segment would be from Key Biscayne, and actually we should take it from that offshore lake here. So you have to go out.
And that's Cray.
Down to. I'll take it to Rodriguez Key.
Well, Oceana's right there, so
right.
Because Rodriguez can count for the time in.
Yeah, you're gonna come in. Where does that come in? Right here?
He comes in like right there, yeah.
Right.
Because there's Largo there.
And so once you get in there, you have to wind your way back up. Right?
No, we wind way back there.
Yeah. Okay, so a few miles back up.
Right.
So the third segment comes in at like 40 miles.
40 miles, okay. 10 o'clock, we're off the dock now. Alright, off the fuel dock, so we're getting the main about to be raised up here, and then we're going to be heading out the inlet. 1 o'clock, going out the channel now. We've got full tanks and water for fuel, so we're all good. Populated with a bunch of freighters, and it's not the best time to navigate at night, but we unfortunately have fallen on that because we need to basically put our time up in order to reach John Penny Camp tomorrow in time that we're not going to be too late, that it's going to be dark. We don't want to truly miss it by morning where we come in the channel to Mom's making up some dinner. Alright, well, my shift's over, so I'm going to turn over to Dad, and I'm going to go to bed, so see you tomorrow. Alright, well, we're coming up on John Penny Camp here, our favorite state park in Florida. So we're going to be anchoring or mooring probably about an hour or so. You can see the radio tower that is marking Key Largo. Basically, it's a big concrete radio tower, and that just came into view now. So we have a beautiful sunrise, great night passage, and we're headed in. Well, we're in John Penny Camp, one of our favorite state parks. So we got in earlier this morning. Probably spent the rest of the day relaxing. We just got hooked up to our mooring boat here. So yeah, that's the plan.